guys, welcome back to another video. I've never filmed one of these videos before and I know these are super old school. I know everyone used to do like my July favorites, April favorites, like monthly favorites. I've never done that before. I feel like when I came into YouTube, that was like not really a thing anymore, and I'm pretty sure it's not still a thing anymore. I don't care, I want to do it. So today's video is going to be a current favorites video. This is not something I'm gonna do like every single month, but I do have a lot of things that I have ordered lately. Like obviously I'm stuck in quarantine and all I've been doing is online shopping, and I'm just doing a lot of research on new products. I have all this extra time, so I've been discovering new products and new things to try out. Yeah, I wanted to share with you guys what I'm loving, what I've found, what I have just been obsessed with lately, and it's like a mix of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle things. If you guys like these type of videos, I can definitely do them a lot more. Maybe not on a monthly basis, but maybe like, I don't know, on a quarterly basis if we're getting technical. But yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, then definitely let me know in the comments and thumbs up this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Stephanie Rose and I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if you're not subscribed already, then please subscribe, turn on notifications for more. So I'll go ahead and jump right into it. I'll show you guys my current favorites and what I'm loving, so stay tuned. I will start off with beauty products first because I think I have like the most of those. I want to share this brand with you guys that I just started trying. It is Necessary. I believe that's how it's pronounced. This has really transformed my skin. As you guys know, I have very dry skin, so I try to do different things to help moisturize my skin and just help my skin be very healthy, especially in the summer. You know, my skin's exposed. I'm wearing shorts and, you know, t-shirts. I want my skin to be looking nice. So ever since I started using this 2 weeks ago, it's been great. So this came in a set together. You can buy them separately, but this came in like a set. It was $60, but I did get a $10 off coupon, and then it came with a free exfoliator bamboo brush, so I think altogether that was a really good deal. So it came with the body exfoliator, and this is a weekly use thing. Like you use this once a week in the shower, and it really has softened my skin. My skin feels so smooth and just like a baby's bottom, and I used the bamboo brush that came with it to exfoliate my body. And then that's like the first step in the three-step process. And then the next thing is a body wash, and it is fragrance free. They do have fragrances. They have like eucalyptus and then a couple others, but I prefer no fragrance because I'm kind of sensitive to fragrances, and I wasn't sure how it would smell because I've never smelled any of the others in person, so I just didn't want to take any risks. But I like this. It, you know, really makes me feel refreshed and clean, and it just also, you know, makes my skin soft. And then the third one is a body lotion, the last step, and this lotion, oh my god, is so amazing. My skin feels so soft and so smooth. And I know I've mentioned that I had a couple of favorite lotions in my previous videos, but this one by far is like the one I have been loving the most. I know I'm definitely gonna repurchase this, and this is gonna be like my go-to lotion in the summer. I might get one that has a scent, just to have one where I can smell good. But yeah, guys, check out that brand. It's amazing. If I have the coupon code still, or if it still works, I'll link that below as well. The next trio of things are specifically for self-tanning because, guys, I'm not outside. I'm still inside a lot. I haven't been tanning. I haven't been to the pool, the beach, anything yet. So I wanna maintain a tan and at least try to get some color this summer. So the first thing that I have been loving, and I've loved this for years and I revisit this every summer, it's Tarte's Brazilians Plus Self Tanner. It's a mousse and it comes with the mitt also, so you just like apply it like it's lotion. And what I like about this is that you don't have to like wash it off like with like other spray tans and express tans. You can just leave it on and just go about your day, and it just develops into a really nice bronze tan. It makes my skin look really nice. I love the color of it. It's not orangey at all. I think it just looks really natural. And then the next product is something that I just started using about a month ago. I featured it in my Amazon favorites, but I recently found out that you can also buy this at Target for a lot less. So yeah, get this at Target. It's Tanologist Express Tan. It is the medium color, and this is an express tan, so you have to spray it on 1 to 4 hours. Your tan will develop, and then you have to take a shower to rinse it off. So this one I kind of reserve for like the days when I know I'm gonna take a shower, but I prefer the mousse better, the Tarte one, because like I said, I don't have to like worry about taking a shower, because sometimes I just put it on and I have to do things. I don't have time to always take a shower. But this one I just wanted to try out and see how it was like, and it's really good. The color is amazing. So I don't know if you probably can't tell right now, but I like used this a few days ago, but my skin definitely looks a lot tanner. I like the color. It is, again, very natural. So I'm a fan of this brand. The last self-tanning item I have is from Isle of Paradise. It's their self-tanning drops. And this I use specifically for my face because all these other things I cannot use on my face. Your face is very different. So this one is good for your face. It's also good for your body, but since it's so tiny, I just like reserve it for my face. I don't know if you can tell, again, because I have lights on, so my face might look washed out, but I've been using this for like the past 2 months. I use it maybe like twice a week. I mix it into my moisturizer. I put like 2 or 3 drops in my moisturizer and then I mix it all in, and then you have to wash your hands after. But yeah, this stuff is great. My face is tan like the rest of my body and I love the color, and it's just a really nice way to tan your face. Okay, so sticking to beauty, but this time we're gonna talk about my hair. So guys, I've always wanted to start giving myself blowouts, but I suck at the whole like holding a hairbrush and blow drying your hair at the same time. I can't maneuver the hand movements. Like it was always a fail for me. But I have been seeing this tool a lot lately. So this is Revlon. It's like their hair brush blow dryer. I got my mom this for Christmas, this past Christmas, and she loves it. But I started seeing a lot of people on social media use this for blowouts, and then a couple of my friends actually have this and they use it for blowouts. So I decided I want to get one myself and try it out, and I used this for the first time last week, and oh my god, it just blew my mind how good my hair looked. Like, I don't think I'll ever straighten my hair again because of how flat your hair looks when it's straightened. I love the like textured look to it. So my hair's in a bun, but I actually used this yesterday. I'll insert a photo of what that looks like because I took a ton of selfies yesterday after I did my hair. I was just feeling myself. This is a great tool if you suck at giving yourself blowouts like I do. And then my other favorite to use with this before I start doing this, I apply this Color Wow Dream Coat spray. So this spray is made specifically for giving yourself blowouts. Like, this product doesn't activate unless you use a blow dry on it. And basically, guys, this literally gives my hair an equivalent of a Brazilian blowout. It makes your hair so shiny, so soft, and it really tames frizz. And so it's activated by heat, so you have to blow dry your hair after you use this. And so this is just a great first step if you want to give yourself a blowout. So these two, this combo right here has been my absolute favorite for the past week that I've had it. So moving on to fashion things, I have a few favorites that I just got. First are these heels that I got from Zara, and I'm so obsessed with the color. So I like don't step out of my comfort zone ever with colors. I tend to stick to my blacks, my whites, my like nudes, and that's it. I just like took the leap of faith and I said, you know what, it's summer, let me buy some bright colored things. And I love this color especially. This is gonna be my color for the summer 2020. Like, I am obsessed with like sky blue, light blue, baby blue. So I love the straps on it. I think it's very like retro 90s chic. The heel is like this little baby heel. It's probably like an inch, honestly, 2 inches. They're very comfy, they're padded, and I just love the style of it. So I'm excited to wear these with like jeans and with like dresses. Next favorite is this dress that's from Urban Outfitters, and I actually wore this in one of my Instagram posts, one of my latest posts. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll insert that here. But I went on a picnic and I wore this dress. It's so gorgeous. I love the print of it. It's like this yellow floral print, but it kind of like from far away looks like lemons, which I'm like so into lemons also. I love like lemon print stuff for the summer. So this is like a nice little like, I don't know, it reminds me of like a little prairie dress. It's like mid-length, it goes like past my calves, and then it has like a slit here, so like it buttons down about halfway and then the rest is just like opened. I just love it. I love like little cute like floral dresses like this. I'm definitely gonna be buying more. My next favorite is probably my favorite out of all my favorites. It is a bag, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw this bag already. I've been wanting this bag for like a year or 2 years. Whenever it like first came out, I didn't want to spend that much money, but I just finally took the leap of faith during quarantine and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it. It is Prada. It is the little strappy Prada bag. This is the re-edition 2005 bag. When it first came out, it was so popular and I just was debating for so many months, should I get it? Maybe I shouldn't. Should I get it? So I got it. But I love it, and you know, I don't go anywhere, but when I go to the grocery store or go hiking, like I wear this and I rock it and I just love it. So yeah, it's like that little strap crossbody, and it has this little pouch here for like lip gloss or, you know, your AirPods, whatever you want to put in here. And then it also has like a chain here, so you could take the big strap off and just hold it like this. And I also recently found out that you can use this strap as a belt. So you could take the strap off of the purse and like just have this part like hanging off like on your waist, like on your belt. So I was like, oh my God, I can use this for so many things. So I'm obsessed with this bag. It's very timeless. I don't think it'll ever go out of style. Next things are some tech accessories. I got some phone cases and an AirPod case, but I wanted to show you guys, and this has been a favorite of mine because they are designer dupes. These are not real, but this is from a store called Fickle Monster. I have gotten a few questions on social media about my case. So Fickle Monster is where these are from, and they're really good quality cases. This one is the replica of the Louis Vuitton trunk case, cell phone case, and if you guys know, this is $1,200 like retail, and there's no way I'm spending $1,200 on a phone case. Like, I'm gonna upgrade my phone probably in like a year. The difference between this one and the real one is that this LV is cut off, and on real Louis Vuitton things, the LV will never be cut off, so that's how you can tell this one is fake. But I mean, from far away it looks nice, and I don't care about if it's real or not. And then this is the one I have on my phone right now. It's the Dior print, like the blue jean print. I really love this one. I am obsessed with Dior. And here is the AirPod case I got. It's Louis Vuitton, and it's just so cute. So yeah, I love that store. I've been obsessed with it ever since I discovered it. I probably will buy more cases. They have like Gucci, like the replica Gucci, Chanel, other Dior ones. They have a lot of really cute ones. So I just have a few more things left, and these are like food, drink, like houseware things. These are hydration multiplier electrolyte drinks. It's from this brand called Liquid IV. And they did send me this for free. They didn't pay me or anything, but they just sent me a free product to try out, and I love it. They also have a energy one. There's a sleep one, which helps you sleep at night, and I do use that occasionally when I like have trouble sleeping. I just drink a glass of that and I'm knocked out in 15 minutes. And they're also really hydrating. There's been a couple times when, you know, I've been a little bit hungover and dehydrated, and I like have a couple glasses of those and I'm like good in like 2 hours. So yeah, Liquid IV is a really good brand. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to place an order, so I'll link that in the description. This one is inspired by Justin Bieber's Yummy. I don't know if they like did a partnership with him or like what they did with him, but I love how the bag looks. So cute. My next favorites are from a brand called Daily Harvest, and I get weekly shipments from them. They basically are like a food delivery service. Their products are frozen smoothies, chia bowls, oat bowls. They have like protein bowls. They have a lot of different like food products, like all plant-based and all very healthy. And these are what the smoothies look like. This is how it comes in the package. And so basically like it has all this stuff inside, and you just add milk to it. You can add like almond milk, oat milk, whatever milk you like, and then you pour it in the blender, and then you just blend it, and then that's it. So it has like all the ingredients on the side. This one is the pineapple and matcha smoothie, and then it has like nutrition facts on the side. So for one of these, it's 140 calories. This one here is a cold brew and almond, and it has like all the ingredients there. This one is 160 calories, so not too many calories. So I like to use this as like a snack, and you guys know how obsessed I am with my smoothies. I love smoothies, so I really was so interested in trying these, and ever since I did, I've been loving them. And these cups are really cool. You can like take your smoothies to go, so after you blend it, you can put it back in this container and then like put a straw in here and just like drink it out of this container. Super cute. So I love this brand. I did get my first box of this for free. They sent it to me to try out, so I do have a coupon code if you guys want to check this out. You get $25 off your first purchase. So again, I'll link that in the description. I won't promote things that I don't think are worth it. Like, I'm not gonna like promote stuff that are disgusting to you guys. I really like these along with the Liquid IV stuff. Like, I've been using them for a long time, and I tried it out for free, but then I continued to get it after, and I really do like it. So I have one more thing left, and these are a pair of glass mugs. And you guys have asked me before in my stories where I've gotten this, and this is from Amazon. And ever since I got my Nespresso machine, I've been obsessed with getting like clear mugs, because I just like to look at how my like espresso looks, and like how the foam looks on top. So yes, Amazon, and these are the double walled glass ones. So these are also nice for tea. Sometimes I put my tea in here, and they're just overall really nice glasses. They look very nice. They're very pleasing to look at. They're easy to wash, and they don't, like, the water doesn't go in between the walls. I read reviews about like the water going in between the walls when you wash it, but I haven't experienced that yet, and I just love how they look. They're really good quality. So that is all I have for you guys. Those are all of my current favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want me to do more videos like this, then please let me know in the comments. I definitely will. I love these type of videos, and if you guys like these too, I want to keep doing them. So yeah, just let me know what you think about these. I hope you guys enjoy your day, whether it's night, evening, morning, I don't know. Just have a great day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.